All right, so this is my 2008 Yamaha R6. I guess they want to call it the limited edition or something with the black flames. I got two brother slip-on, and I am running Q3s on the back. Pretty nice tire. But I need some help, some advice from the community. Having a little bit of a idling problem with this R6. Especially when it's cold, but even when it's not, it sounds really jerky. I'm gonna try and get it in focus and you can hear it. Here you go. Now it's still jumpy a little bit, smooth, and it jumps. Not really sure what it is. Somebody told me I need a timing chain tensioner, something like that would help. I don't know. Figured I ask. Let me know. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think.